Bullish Near protocol cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $16.38 and $35.67 by 2030. Market examiners accept Near could reach $16.38 by 2025. Bearish Near protocol market cost expectation for 2022 is $2.91. Near protocol presentation. Since its unassuming starting points with a little group in San Francisco, Near protocol has in practically no time developed to cooperate with a portion of the business top Goliaths, performing on a vertical direction since its origin, with the declaration of an aggressive program to pull ahead in the crypto game and set the preparation for Web 3.0. The Near network is drawing in a lot of consideration. In this Near protocol survey, we'll assess the organization's key elements, alongside specialized examination and our near future cost forecast. What is Near protocol? Near protocol is a layer 1 public evidence of stake blockchain zeroed in on building client and designer well-disposed stages. The protocol was established in 2018 by Alexander Skidnov and Ilya Polisukyan, who recently held jobs in significant organizations like Microsoft and Google, consolidating their previous experience to its most noteworthy benefit. The pair at first had dreams of an AI project, however, wound up floating towards blockchain innovation. Before long, the Near protocol was conceived as a shrewd agreement-fit blockchain. Near was intended to have dapps and spotlight on ease of use, rivaling other savvy contract-empowered blockchains like Ethereum and EOS. Near has integrated a few highlights to elevate ease of use and client comfort. For instance, the stage permits clients to interface with savvy contracts and dapps without requiring a wallet and consolidates intelligible record names close by crypto wallet addresses. One of Near's most aggressive projects is to make a permissionless, open, decentralized web a space where no organization, individual, or government can intercede. Near intends to stand separated from different stages like Meta, which it considers a one-sided, shut environment, and on second thought make a space where clients have the ability to control their own information. Near's answer is named the local area cloud, where clients can securely get and execute resources, character, and cache without requiring consent or outer stages. Near protocol has its own local token called Near, which is utilized to pay for capacity and exchange expenses on the stage. Near approves and finishes exchanges as well as gets the organization against malware and deceitful movement by boosting validators with Near crypto token. With the Near protocol expected to explode further from here on out, the symbolic's worth is probably going to take action accordingly. Near protocol crucial investigation. While Near can measure up to existing stages like Microsoft Purplish Blue or Amazon Web Administrations, it has an extraordinary selling point. With the dispersed number of validators, the Near network is gotten with no weak link. This forestalls hacking, altering, and information misfortune, and furthermore counters different failures normally found in most midway-controlled cloud stages. The Near protocol's essential objective is to engage clients to recover control of their resources, information, and administration. Beneath, we've assessed a portion of the critical highlights of the Near protocol. Adaptability. The most noteworthy part of Near's exhibition is its speed and adaptability. Utilizing its Doomslug block creation method and Nightshade sharding framework, the Near organization can deal with up to 100,000 exchanges each second, twofold that of contenders like Solana. The organization likewise settles exchanges in under a moment, with a very low exchange expense. The mix of Nightshade and Doomslug helps increment throughput, further develop proficiency, and lessen the heap on the organization, bringing about lightning-quick exchanges. Near protocol specialized examination. Since its send-off in August 2020, the Near network has gotten backing from numerous remarkable names in the business, like the trustworthy entrepreneur Stor Andreessen Horowitz. It has likewise banded together with other noticeable names, for example, Blockchain Adventures, Tiger Worldwide, Meta Web Adventures, and Ainsville Labs. Different associations like Kurtosis, Transition, Mintbase, and Paris have additionally effectively utilized Near to fabricate cheap, fast, and decentralized open market protocols. Close by the $350 subsidizing round drove by Tiger Worldwide, prompting critical cost appreciation for Near crypto holders. Assuming Near's set of experiences of close organizations proceeds, the coin's worth will probably take off essentially from here on out. Near protocol current cost. Near protocol is right now worth $3.64 USD. Near has moved 1.50% as of now with an exchanging volume of $170,802,487. Near protocol is right now positioned 26 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $2,918,739,092 USD. We figure out our Near protocol cost forecasts on specialized investigation. utilizing continuous near protocol market information to refresh our site with dynamic cost expectations. We utilize specialized markers like moving midpoints, trend lines, MACD, Fibonacci retracement, and RSI to decide our near cost expectations. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2022. Near Protocol, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The near cost figure for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to $5.46. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $5.10 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is plausible in the near future given expected coordinated efforts and headway. Near is supposed to have a base worth of $4.37. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Near Protocol near cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Near will before long outperform $9.10. Nonetheless, we ought to hold on to check whether the Near's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Near will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $7.28 and a typical exchanging cost of $8.01. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $12.74 and Near may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Near is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $11.65 and a low of $10.92 in 2024. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Near Protocol effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the Near coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Near will be green in 2025. The Near is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $16.38, with a base cost of $14.56 and a typical cost of $15.29. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the Near cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $18.93 by 2026, with a base cost of $18.20 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Near has a most extreme value worth of $20.02. Near Protocol Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $22.57. If Near figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $23.66. Neglecting to accumulate the help Near needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $21.84. Near Protocol Value Expectation 2028. While Near is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $25.48.